Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota Eco. This car have a problem, automatic fan not working. That's the fault. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. What is the fault? Okay. So here's the fuse box. I check everything is fine. But this fuse in this relay, see? So when temperature is high, ground is not coming here in this relay. That's the fault. So I check here wiring and everything is perfect. Now I remove engine ECM. Here is the engine ECM, this Eco, and engine ECM have some problem. Already mark it in engine ECM. This is for radiator fan, sorry, engine coolant temperature wire. Okay, and then I'll show you now. This is, and here you can see damage in this pin. And that's the fault. See where is the issue? This wire damage. So here you can see we connect it properly, and now I fix it engine ECM. It will work inshallah. Okay, fix it engine ECM, and here you can see before with temperature sensor if I remove, also same not working. Now I remove temperature sensor and I will show you. See, if I remove temperature sensor, radiator fan working. If I fix, off, because now car I start, that's why. Okay, so great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.